Hello, dear friends. Let's create this cute character together in Blender. First of all, you'll see the screencast keys at the bottom right of the screen. They're there to make your work easier. Second, to create this character, we need to use 2 of Blender's built-in add-ons. We just have to make them active. Go to Edit Preferences, then Add-ons, and search for Auto Mirror and Loop Tools. If they aren't activated, go to Get Extensions, search for Auto Mirror, and click Install. Do the same for Loop Tools. Okay, now let's begin. Get to the front view by pressing 1 on the numpad. Select the camera and light, then delete them. Select the default cube and focus on it by pressing period on the numpad. Now, add 1 level of subdivision surface modifier by pressing Ctrl+1. You'll see the modifier added. Apply it by hovering over it and pressing Ctrl+A. Since we're about to create a character, it's a good idea to mirror the main body to reduce the work needed. This way, you only work on one side, and it applies to the other 2. Press N to open the panel. Go to the Edit section, expand the Auto Mirror section, and simply click the Auto Mirror button. You'll see a mirror modifier is automatically added. Perfect. Now, apply a 2nd level of subdivision surface modifier by pressing Ctrl+2. Now it's time to edit our character. Press Tab to enter edit mode. Press Alt+Z to enable X-ray mode. Select the upper vertices and scale them down by pressing S. Then, select these vertices, press G to grab, and adjust their position. Okay, now to create the arm. Press 3 to enter face select mode. Select the faces for the arm. Press I to inset. Then, delete the unwanted faces by pressing X. Now press 2 to switch to edge select mode. Hold Alt and select a loop. Then right-click and choose Circle from Loop Tools. Perfect. Go to Front View and press G to roughly move the arm into position. Press E to extrude, or to rotate, S to scale, and finally, F to fill in the gap. Press this button in Subdivision Surface Modifier to activate on cage. Loop select these loops once more and adjust their positions. Then, select these vertices, press G to grab, and adjust their position. Now, to create the legs, press 3, and from the bottom, select 4 faces for the legs. Press I to inset. Go to Front View, and press G to roughly position them. Then, press E to extrude. Use G to grab the new faces and place them in a better position. Excellent. Now, to add the mouth, select the faces for the mouth, and press I to inset. You'll see they separated, but we don't want it like this. So press B to adjust the boundary. Now, select the top edges and use GG to edge slide them a bit. Press 1 to switch to edge select mode and then return to edit mode. Select these vertices, then press G again to roughly edge slide them into position. Now, select the relevant faces and delete them. Loop select the remaining edges. Press E to extrude, S to scale, then go to Side View by pressing 3. Move the mouth vertices into the right place. Then loop select the inner edge, press E to extrude it along the Y-axis into the body. Press S, then Y. Set it to 0 for smoothness, and press F to fill. Now we have a nice mouth. From Subdivision Modifier, active on cage again. Then add a loop cut with Ctrl+R, right here. Then, hold Alt and loop select these edges. While the edges are selected, press Ctrl+E and choose Mark Seam. Get creative and refine your model from both the side and front views. Simply select the vertices, hit G, and adjust their positions to perfection. And while you're at it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun tutorials. Now to create the horns, select the 4 faces on top. Press I to inset and press B to activate the boundary. Then delete these faces with X. Right-click and choose Circle from Loop Tools. From Front View, press R to rotate, S to scale, and G to move into position. From Side View, press E to extrude, press E again to extrude more, return to Front View, use S to scale, and press F to fill. Now, in X-ray mode, select the vertices and adjust their positions to perfect the horns. Let's add some details to the face, starting with the teeth. Press Shift+A to add a cube for the teeth. Then press S to scale it down. Press / to enter isolation mode. Then press S, Y to scale it along the Y-axis. Enter edit mode. Select the top face and delete it. From Front View, add loop cut, grab the bottom vertices, and move them accordingly. Then select and scale the top vertices. Add a level 2 subdivision surface modifier and shade smooth. Add another loop cut and use S to scale it just a bit for a better shape. Now, to change the object's origin, select all vertices and press G. Z to move the origin to the top. Press slash to exit isolation mode. From the front view, use S to scale and G to position the teeth correctly. Then, from the modifier panel, add a mirror modifier, choose mirror object, and select the body. Perfect! Press Shift plus A to add a cube for the eye, then press S to scale it as needed. Next, hit slash to enter isolation mode for a focused workspace. In edit mode, delete the backside face, and press Ctrl plus 2 to apply a subdivision surface modifier. Now, adjust the vertices to shape the eye with more organic curves. To add more detail, press Shift plus D to duplicate the eye object. Use S to scale down this duplicate. It'll serve as the pupil. Position it at the top left of the original eye using G to create a more interesting and detailed look. Exit isolation mode by pressing slash. From the front view, refine the pupil's placement with S to rescale if needed, and G to move it into its perfect spot. Then, switch to the side view, and press R to rotate the pupil for better alignment and perspective. For symmetry, add a mirror modifier, and set the body as the mirror object. Finally, select both the original eye and the pupil. Press Ctrl plus L to copy the modifier, and voila! You now have a pair of perfectly detailed and dynamic eyes. Change to Material Preview mode. In the Object Material tab, choose a light blue color for the body and reduce the roughness slightly. Now, to give the horns a different color, enter Edit mode, and from the front view, at the bottom of the horn, press Ctrl plus R to add a loop cut. Then, add another loop cut in the middle. Press Ctrl plus E and select Mark Seam. Now, hover with mouse on horn. While in Face Select mode, press L for link selection to select all horn faces. Then in Material tab, click the plus button and assign a new material. Then press New to create the material. Choose a pink color and reduce the roughness. For the eye, add a new material. You can choose a purple one. Then, select the pupil of the eye. Use the same material as the body for consistency. For the teeth, add a new material, choose a light yellow color, and finally, in Edit mode, hover over the intersection of the mouth, press L for link selection, click the plus button, and assign the new material. You can use the same material as the eyes here. And that's it. I really hope you liked this tutorial. Let me know if you'd like to see more like this, or if you have any suggestions. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.